Now we will learn about one more pattern. We have already seen similar pattern, but this is different. How it is different? If you observe in the previous pattern, the asterisks were in this diagonal, right? One time I have filled this region, then another time I have filled this region, but the asterisks were going in this diagonal. But now this is opposite diagonal. This is called as cross diagonal. So they are in cross diagonal and we have the stars here. Now that time we wrote the condition I greater than j, or else we wrote like the condition. Now what is the condition? So I greater than j or less than j will not work here. Then what? Let us observe. Here I and j, you add them. 0, 1. Add them, right? Just I am putting a figure, you add them. 0 plus 1, 1. 2, 3. This is 3, right? 1, 2. This is 3. And this is 4. Okay. This is 2. 3, 4, 5. Leave it. 3, 4, 5, 6. So if the sum of I and j values are 3 or more, then we have star. Otherwise we have spaces. So remember this point when you are dealing with cross diagonal and the elements below cross diagonal, then you have to use I plus j. So here we are getting I plus j. If it is greater than or equal to 3, then we have to draw star. Otherwise we have to draw space. Yes, why it is a 3? Reason, because it is 4 by 4. 4 is there. Actually, it's not 3. It is 4 minus 1. Why 4 minus 1? Because that is 4 by 4 and the indices are starting from 0 onwards. That is the reason. So let us write here. If I plus j is greater than this 4 minus 1, I write C out star, right? Else C out space. That's it. This is how we get those stars below the cross diagonal. Now why I wrote 4 here? Because if I write 5 here, this is also 5 and this is also 5. So you get the same shape of bigger size. And instead of 5, if you write n here and n here, then here also it will be n. So whatever the size you mention, you get a pattern of that particular size. So that's why instead of writing 3, write 4 minus 1. That is better because dimensions are 4 by 4. So far we have printed this pattern and this pattern, 2 patterns, and this one is this one, right? So we have seen these 3 patterns. Okay. Now by using this you can draw different patterns. Like you can draw a pattern like this also, joined together, right? This one and this one joined together. You can draw a triangle like shape, right? Or this one and one more, you can draw a pattern like this, and you can join these two and draw a shape like this. So now you can do anything. You can print stars, you can print numbers, you can print any other symbols that you want. So you can make some designs or patterns using this one. So whatever comes to your mind, you can try that one. So main thing is you have to use nested for loop, and you have to observe this one. Based on what I and j values, you have to print spaces or star or whatever the figure you want to print. So it is based on I and j values. That's it. So this will improve your logic if you draw different patterns. So try to draw more patterns by yourself, right? So these are available in the demo. You can practice them, and others you draw by yourself. So that's all in this video.